Hello po everyone. So, andito po tayo sa IMG or International Marketing Group. So, check online img-corp.com. Kasi pag ibang IMG, iba po yung another IMG siya. So, check if it's img-corp.com. So, ngayon, I will teach you on how to become a member of IMG if you are not a member of IMG. So, makita mo po dito, be a member, and click here. Be a member. So, depende po kung nasaan kayo. So, please select which country you're from. So, click here. For Philippines, click po dito. It's 4,500 pesos. Para sa mga nasa London, hanap po tayo dito sa Europe. And click London. It's 165 euros. Yung mga nasa London, puro euro po siya. So, even if you're here in London, pagbayad nyo po is euro. But it will be converted to pounds. So, let's try. Try po natin mag-member. Enter your details. Shield Habel. Jane. Basta kompleto po ha. Try ko lang po to. Email address, very important. Ito po, pag mayroon na pong nakapangalan sa inyo or email, nagamit na pong email address, hindi na po siya valid. So, you have to put a different address kung nag-fill up na po kayo, tapos na-enter na po yun, so hindi na po siya pwede. So, make a new one. Hindi na din po to. Puro nagamit. Female. Tapos, very important yung sponsor code. Sino po yung nag-invite sa inyo. Lagay nyo po yung sponsor code nila. Tapos, yung sponsor name. Then, trainer if applicable. Tapos, birth date. Example lang po. Then, mobile number. Civil status, kung married, single, kung ano. We'll just try here. So, just for the sake of purposes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at yahoo.com. Tapos, address po dito sa UK. Zip code. Then, don't forget po, mag-signature. Then, continue. Kailangan talaga yung forwarding address sa Pilipinas or else hindi ka go Philippines. Forwarding address dito sa London. London, here. Philippine address. Kung taga saan po sa Pilipinas. before you can continue. Then, you will have your code. So, ito po yung code nyo. 115157EU. Example lang po yan. Tapos, you can pay. Pay options is bank deposit, money remittance, online bank transfer, debit card via banknet, credit card via PayPal. Bank deposit and money remittance, same lang po to siya. So, yung mga pupunta kayo sa BDO, sa Western Union, so yun po. Then, online transfer, this is applicable. Online transfer and debit card is applicable sa Pilipinas. And for international, we usually use credit card via PayPal. Kahit wala po kayong credit card, debit card gamit nyo, ito po ang i-click nyo. Credit card via PayPal. So, transaction fee is 7 euros and 43 cents. So, 165. So, total of 172.43. So, ilagay ulit yung contact details. Tapos, bago yung next step. So, hindi ko na po ipapatuloy kasi po, this is for demo purposes lang. Yun na po. If any questions, just text or email. So, you can contact me at janereynes45@gmail.com. Salamat po.